Welcome back. You are about experiencing machines that will change how you think about technology. They are that powerful and astounding. These technological wonders can build, lift, and operate precisely at lightning speed. Each is an innovative masterpiece, ranging from futuristic robotics to massive industrial giants. You won't believe what these machines can do, so watch as they push the boundaries of what is possible. First of all, certain machines are pure motion and destruction. A large shredder readily crushes a propane tank. Metal crumbs like paper in seconds, showing that nothing stands a chance against its force. However, crushing has never been this brutal. Scrap tires and wheels are grabbed by this relentless machine, which crushes them just by its sheer weight before tearing them into small bits. Tough rubber and steel are ripped apart in seconds. Ready for something fresh, just sheer destruction, absolute efficiency. Next up, nothing goes to waste. It takes leftover vegetables and fruits, shredding them into fine pieces to create nutritious animal feed. In seconds, scraps become useful, fast, efficient, and eco-friendly. Giving waste a second life has never been this easy. Moving on, peeling potatoes just got a whole lot easier. This incredible machine grabs a bunch of potatoes at once, spinning and peeling them instantly. No knives, no mess, just perfectly peeled potatoes in seconds. It works so fast you'll barely believe your eyes. Don't just watch, feel the power. Like, share, and comment to celebrate these incredible machines. However, making ice cream has never looked this satisfying. Exact, sharp wire cuts over gorgeous ice cream. Every piece then dips in creamy chocolate and settles cleanly in its packaging. This machine is true dessert magic. Smooth, quick, perfect. Furthermore, handling eggs has never been this delicate. This smart suction machine carefully lifts each egg, moving it to a new tray without a crack. No hands, no mess. Just smooth, precise transfers that make the whole process look like magic. Moreover, woodworking just got effortless. It spins massive logs, peeling away layers with precision. With a worker's guidance, each log is sliced into thin, smooth boards. Fast, flawless, and ready for the next step. In addition, slicing meat has never been this fast. It takes a whole slab, guiding it through razor-sharp blades. It's diced into perfect pieces in seconds. Smooth, precise, and effortless. Pure cutting power in action. But wait, there's more. Peeling coconuts has never been this easy. With its powerful blades, it grips the tough shell, stripping away the husk in seconds. No struggle, no mess. Just a perfectly cleaned coconut ready to use. Furthermore, stripping paint has never been this effortless. This powerful sandblaster gun erases layers of paint in seconds. No harsh chemicals, no endless sanding. A high-speed blast does all the work, leaving behind a smooth, clean surface. Fast, effective, and satisfying to watch. Hold on, rusty tools don't stand a chance. Just place them under this powerful machine and watch years of rust disappear in seconds. No scrubbing, no chemicals. Just smooth, shiny metal restored to its original glory like magic. It's pure restoration perfection. Moreover, cutting trees has never been this fast. A powerful razor-sharp clamp grips a thick tree and slices through it smoothly. No chainsaw needed. In seconds, the job is done with precision and power. It's like watching nature meet unstoppable engineering. In addition, steel cutting just got a whole lot smarter. This amazing machine shapes wide steel pipes like butter into precise contours with unheard of accuracy. There's no flying igniting, no struggle, just seamless, easy cuts that transform metal into beauty in a few seconds. Labeling bottles has never been this precise. It grabs each bottle, slips on a plastic sleeve, and heat sealed perfectly. There are no wrinkles or mistakes, just smooth, professional labels, wrapped in seconds, fast, flawless, and satisfying. Above all, this will blow your mind. Watch as this incredible factory machine rolls, cuts, and bakes crackers at lightning speed, transforming simple dough into golden, crispy perfection in seconds. You won't believe this machine's genius. It grabs a bag, fills it with sunflower seeds, and boom! Stitches the top shut like a pro tailor. Fast, precise, and mind-blowing. However, never before has wood transformation looked so smooth. It quickly spins a rough block of wood, while my keen blades remove every flaw. The edges gradually disappear, presenting a clean wooden spherical. Precision, speed, and perfection. One fascinating action. Additionally, witness pure strength in action. This powerful machine takes scorching hot steel and presses it with unstoppable force, shaping it into a perfect concave form. Fast, precise, and mind-blowing. And that's just the beginning. Watch this beast in action. It grabs heavy wooden posts like a giant hand, lifts them high, and slams them deep into the ground effortless. Powerful and unbelievably satisfying to watch. Not only that, but you meet the ultimate recycling powerhouse. Toss in empty plastic bottles and containers and watch as it shreds them into tiny bits, fast, fierce, and ready for a brand new life. More importantly, you have to see this to believe it. This razor-sharp machine takes a whole duck, bones and all, and dices it effortlessly, slicing through like nothing more than soft butter. Now, this is pure power in action. Blazing hot steel, glowing like fire, is lifted by massive chains and plunged into water, sending steam roaring as it cools in seconds. Say goodbye to wobbly chairs. This genius machine scans, trims, and perfects uneven chair legs with laser-sharp precision, making every chair fit flawlessly flat in seconds. Above all else, prepare to be amazed. Like an expert sculptor, but faster, more precisely. This machine turns solid steel into breathtaking art pieces by cutting intricate motifs with truly fascinating effects. However, this gadget performs genuine magic without hands. Perfect automation takes bags of plastic, pops those open, and fills them up with stuff in one fluid, lightning-fast motion. Moreover, this machine is pure craftsmanship in action. It transforms simple surfaces into amazing art pieces in seconds by pressing a rubber mold onto bowls and precisely stamping complex motifs. In addition, this machine works like a dream. It grabs flat dough, rolls it effortlessly, and pops out perfectly round dough balls. Flawless, fast, and mesmerizing to watch. Furthermore, while strength meets precision in this incredible machine, with the help of a worker, it assembles massive chain links, locking each piece together flawlessly. Every movement is powerful, crafting unbreakable chains with ease. Last but not least, perfection. It transforms melted plastic into tough, long-lasting shoe soles. It injects molten material into molds, shaping every curve. Amazing work. And that's the magic of the most incredible machines. They shape, build, and innovate with mind-blowing precision. From giant factories to tiny robots, they power our world. Like, share, and drop a comment below about your favorite machine. Stay tuned for more incredible mechanical wonders.